Hi there, welcome back to FalinksTCG, and in this video I have a Pokemon Prize Pack Series 1 to open for you guys. I got this from my local Pokemon League tournament store thing, whatever you call it. But anyway, let's get into it. Oh. I'm not sure if... There you go. Hopefully that gives you something nice. Not sure what we do here. Karina's Focus, Rapid Strike Energy, Eldegus with the Pokemon Play logo, a lovely reverse hollowed sort of energy, and a Galarian Zigzagoon. Very nice. And a lightning energy to round this off. And back to Karina's Focus. Very nice. That was just a quick little video, but thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to drop a like and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you like this type of content and would like to see more, feel free to subscribe to the channel with notifications on. That way you won't miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. This was FalinksTCG. Goodbye.